So many of you have mentioned that you want to start cooking more, that you want to learn to cook, or you want to try cooking new things, or you want to try new things. And it's been so humbling and amazing seeing how many of you are actually making the deep dish pizza from the video that I did a couple weeks ago. Like, it's just incredible to me. And as I've been sharing your pictures with the pizzas, it kind of dawned on me, like, we should really do a really simple and fun food challenge to get you in the kitchen more, trying new things, trying new ingredient combinations, things like that. So this is what I propose to you. A food challenge, a fun food challenge, and a simple food challenge for anyone who wants to try to cook more or try to cook different things or learn new things. So I've created a burger subreddit called Burger Food Challenge. If you're not really into Reddit, don't worry, I've got something for you too. Each week, I'm going to announce what the challenge is. And all you have to do is do that challenge every day for 6 days, okay? So, for instance, the Mighty Lemon. This is going to be challenge number 1. So starting next Monday, if you're gonna do this challenge, I want you to incorporate a lemon somehow, some way, any way, into any meal you make for 6 days straight. How crazy is that, right? And you're gonna be like, what? Ew, why? A lemon. Trust me, trust me. There are so many things a lemon can do for your food. So here's how it's gonna work. You're either going to join the Burger subreddit, or there will also be a form on my website, burger.com, that you can go to every single day during the challenge, and you can upload your pictures of the meals you create. Or you can go to the subreddit and you can upload them there, say what you did with your meal. That'll be a really fast interactive way, and then I will periodically share them to my YouTube community page, as well as the ones that were sent to me via email. And then after each week is over, I'll create a video showcasing all the foods that you create and give my tips and my thoughts and that kind of thing. And we'll just go over it in a fun, non-judgmental way, okay? So that's how it's going to work. We're here to learn, we're here to have fun, we're here to taste more things, we're here to add more flavors into our houses. And then each week the challenge will change. And as the weeks progress, they may get a little bit more challenging, and not challenging in a way of things that are hard to do, but just challenging in the way of how do I combine 3 ingredients to what I'm cooking instead of just 1. So things like that. So that's how it's pretty much gonna work. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. If you wanna join this challenge, I'll put the link in the description to the Burger subreddit, and I'll put the link in the description to my website where the form is located, and you can head over to either of those things, whichever you prefer to do, and just say, hey, I'm here, I wanna join this challenge, let's get started. So the first challenge is going to begin next Monday. So for 6 days, Monday through Saturday, I want you to incorporate a lemon any way you want, whether it is zesting the lemon and using the zest from the lemon, or the lemon juice, or hell, the entire lemon itself. I don't care. There's no rules to this, okay? Give it a try. I want you to incorporate a lemon into every single dinner, or a lunch, or a breakfast, just a meal throughout the week, each day throughout the week. And I want to know what you think about it. Whether you're an experienced cook or whether you're just getting started, anyone can do this, because for an experienced person, it's always great to just go back to the basics and do simple things, right? And I'm going to be doing it along with you. So for each challenge, I'll be doing the same challenge with you and posting my pictures as well, so we can communicate back and forth. Now, I think this sounds like a blast. If you're into it, head on over to the subreddit, head on over to my website, sign up for each of those things. I hope to see you Monday and see what you create. If you have any thoughts or questions or comments, definitely hit me up in the comments on this video. I want to talk to you. As always, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you during the challenge.